Welcome back, Van Horn team. I hope you had a restful week off and enjoyed family and friends during our Thanksgiving break. This is this week's November 26th Van Horn Hive. And remember to empower all to be successful today for a better tomorrow. Starting with some updates. Interim 2 should be complete. If you have students who were absent and couldn't complete it before Thanksgiving, do not have them complete it this week because the window has closed. You should now be looking at hand scoring. Review the hand scoring rubrics for both ELA and math. Calibrate on the grading or scoring with your team using student work as samples to make sure you're all on the same page for what a 4, 3, 2, or 1 answer is. On Wednesday's PLC, we will finalize calibration and then make sure your scores are entered prior to our half-day deep data dives. The Deep Data Dive schedule was handed out the Friday before break. First grade will be doing their Deep Data Dive and curriculum planning on Wednesday, November 28th. Kindergarten and third grades will have their Deep Data Dive on Thursday, November 29th. Kindergarten, you will be in the morning, 8 to 11. Third grade, you will be in the afternoon, 11 to 2:50. Fourth and second grades will be on Friday. Again, fourth grade, you will be in the morning, and second grade, you will be in the afternoon. And then fifth and sixth grade will meet on Monday, December 1st. Fifth grade in the morning, sixth grade in the afternoon. I am going to give the schedule to Miss Melissa. She will schedule the substitutes for the Deep Data Dive. We will have 2 administrator trainees on campus throughout the year. Jennifer Hall from Hart and Therese Haley from Singlum have both been assigned to Van Horn as administrator trainees. They will be on campus 3 times per year and will either shadow Mr. Haycock or myself as they're learning to become administrators in the district. Jennifer Hall's first visit will be this Friday, November 30th, so she may be coming into classrooms. She'll be sitting in on deep data dives and just walking around the campus, getting a feel for Van Horn. So please welcome her on Friday. Some reminders, Eureka Math Training is coming up next week. Monday, December 3rd, TK through first grades will attend. Tuesday, December 4th, second and third grades and Miss Randolph will attend. Wednesday, December 5th, fourth and fifth grades and Miss Moore will attend. And Thursday, December 6th, sixth grade will attend. You will need to secure your own subs for the Eureka Math Training. Again, Miss Melissa will organize for the Deep Data Dive. You will need to organize your sub for Eureka Math Training. We are at a point in the year when we need to look at our new goals for our 3 school priorities for second semester. This would be part 2 of our 90-day plan. All staff members had a chance to look at either planning and instruction, data-driven instruction, or PBIS at our PLC earlier in November. I would like to have teams get together to write the next 90-day plan sometime in December. So just stay posted and look for the dates and time for that. We have our staff Christmas party planned for Friday, December 14th at Wool Growers. Please check in with Miss Akins for payment. Also, our fly card is getting very low on supplies and we are seeking donations. So if you have or know somebody or if you have things that you would like to donate to the fly cart, please see Miss Akins. We do have a tax ID number so you can use it as a tax write-off. All right, finally, shout outs to our awesome custodial team for deep cleaning the school over the holiday break. I know Miss Kathy said they wanted to focus on the outside of the school, but they also did some nice cleaning in the classrooms. A big thank you to Miss Sky and Coach for organizing basketball tryouts. Those permission slips should be coming in with the tryout schedule coming soon. A big thank you to Mr. Haycock and our Parent Club President, Carla Flores, for attending the district's Parent Council meeting. Thank you to Mrs. Miracle, Mrs. Hammond, Mrs. Eubanks, and Mrs. Niffen for planning the Native American and Pilgrim Feast for the TK and kindergarten families. We had a lot of parents on campus on Wednesday and Thursday before break, and the students just had a great time. Thank you to Mrs. Blythe, Mrs. West, and Miss Borges for using the new backwards mapping template during 4th grade planning before break, and using the feedback tool to make sure we had clarity around standards. Finally, a big thank you to all staff members for ensuring that their students were picked up on time on Friday before break. The office staff was able to get their 2-hour early out with doors being locked at 2 o'clock. So thank you very much. All right, we are in that home stretch before Christmas break. Please remember our school-wide foci, planning and instruction, data-driven instruction, and PBIS, our school-wide matrix. Have a great week.